This add-in does something I find hard to do using standard Excel tools. What I have here are 65 countries, each one labeled with a 3-digit code. And for each country, I have the military expenditure as a percentage of GDP and GDP per capita. And I want to create a scatter plot of these two variables, labeling each country by this 3-digit label. And this is something that you can do with standard Excel tools. But as far as I know, you have to attach each one of the labels manually. And my add-in is going to create this 2D plot with labels automatically. To do that, I go to Add-ins, Kamakura Analytic Tools, Scatterplot with labels, highlight the data range, making sure that your data range in the first row you have labels for each column, and the first column contains the labels, second column contains the X variable, and the third column contains the Y variable for the scatter plot. Click enter, enter, and voila, you have a scatter plot, very standard, simple scatter plot, but with the labels from the first column attached to each one of the data points. And that's my simple add-in called Scatterplot with labels.